little signal down at the Mystical Gap. I said, yo, you got an extra bed tonight? A voice on the line said, yeah. I said, word. You gonna pick me up? Be there in 2 hours. I said, word. I said, I know it's gonna be weird at that spot. Get down to the Holy Gap. Psychedelic minivan rolls up. 3 old grannies in one-piece nighties in broad daylight. One-piece nighties. 3 obese grannies. Glaucoma out eyes like a motherfucker. When they're talking to you, they staring through these haunted clouds as something standing behind you and shit. The first thing they said to me, would you care for some ice-cold lemonade? I said, hell motherfucking yeah. Got a glass of that haunted lemonade, chugged it down. Rolling in the whip with these 3 old grannies in one-piece nighties in the broad daylight. I said, can I get another lemonade? She goes, yeah, serve him another. Had another glass of the haunted lemonade. Cruise up to the spot. This strange looking house. They said, we're not coming in. David's inside. He'll take care of you. He's from Guatemala. I said, okay, hell yeah. In a little town in Maine, we roll up into the crib. In there is a Guatemalan shaman in full headdress. I ain't fucking with y'all. Chugging a 25-ounce natty daddy. He looked at me like that as he chugged 90-degree angle, a 25-ounce natty daddy. A Guatemalan shaman, straight from Guatemala, full psychedelic headdress. I said, this is off the motherfucking chain. When you're chilling in haunted towns like that, you see all kinds of crazy stuff go down. There's a haunted town in Tennessee. My ex-girlfriend's mom went to go check undercover on the education system there because they were bypassing the laws and whatnot. She went into town, my ex-girlfriend's mom, to inspect this school system in a little town called Sneedville, Tennessee. She went into the spot. They found her out. They escorted her to the edge of town. And they said, if you ever come back here and try to inspect our schools again, we will kill you. Sneedville was a mystical, gangsterous ass town. I went there with my boy Cricket back in the day trying to score some shards. We ended up getting some Oxycontins and some Yeti powder and we threw down like a mother. I wrote a song about it. That's called the Sneedville Blues. Here it is, y'all.